All right, so there's this one problem here. We've done some like this in the past, but they just weren't written like this. I wanted to specifically go over this one because it's supposed to be easy, but if you just don't know how to handle it, then you kind of feel lost. Anyway, all right, so I'm wanting to simplify this expression. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite it as a big old division problem. So 4x over x plus 6, all of that is being divided by x squared minus 3x. X squared plus 3x minus 18. Okay. All right, so what I need to do here is I need to rewrite these expressions on the right-hand side, these two right here. I need to rewrite them in factored form. That way I'm able to cancel, common factors or cancel like factors is what I'm going to do. All right, so the left-hand side is still going to be 4x over x plus 6. And let me go ahead and do two steps at once. So I know since it's a division statement, I'm going to rewrite it as a multiplication. So I'm going to keep change flip. So it's going to change from a division to a multiplication symbol. And I'm going to be flipping these two. Okay. So instead of x squared minus 3x, I will factor out their GCF, which is an x. And that's going to leave me with x parentheses x minus 3. All right, so I'm just factoring that. And then I'm going to factor this one as well. All right, x times x. I need the factors of 18. That will subtract to give me 3. That's going to be 3 and 6. All right, let's see here. The 6 is going to need to be positive, and the 3 will need to be negative. So now that everything's in factored form, I can just cancel common factors across the board. Like the x minus 3 can cancel with the x minus 3 factor. The x plus 6 can cancel diagonally with that x minus 6. And then the other thing is you've got a 4x and an x. So I can cancel this x with that one. All right, so I'm left with 4 as my final answer. Cool. So no matter what number that you plug in for x on this expression, like if you plug in 10 or negative 5, if you work it out on a calculator or by hand, you're going to get 4 as your final answer. All right. I think that's good.